Sometimes aches, pains, coughing, things that are going on in your body are entity awareness signs. And with a quick mini session with me, I can facilitate that changing for you and having a totally different space and much more peace and ease in your body. This occurred with my sister, who's been coughing for a couple of days, and she called me this morning, and we got that it was an entity trying to get her attention. And as soon as she was willing to lower her barriers and receive the awareness, everything changed. The coughing stopped, and she had a deep sense of peace and not feeling wrong anymore.